Okay, Reagan and I are going to be going to the Los Angeles Dodgers and versus the San Diego Padres game today. Are you excited? Let's get this party rolling. I see them too. I see the big dinosaurs, los mimis. Let's see. Here they are. Wow. Look at these big dinosaurs.
I guess up there, do you want to see the dinosaurs?
I know. I wonder why not.
Maybe.
Go. Go ahead. What is this? Oh, look at here. You're missing all the dinosaurs in the glass.
Whoa.
Look over here.
Whoa.
Look at this one.
Whoa.
Oh, look at a T-Rex.
Whoa.
Wow, what's up here?
Toys.
Toys? Wow, look at these ones. Look at.
Dinosaurs. I love dinosaurs.
You love them? Which one? Ooh, that one's pretty cool too. What you got? No, we don't need those Percy's. So cute. I know it's cute. Let's look at some of the other ones.
Whoa. Look at this dinosaur.
That's pretty big. What about these ones?
Wow.
So cool. Dinosaur teeth. What's over here? Look, they got dinosaur on an egg too.
Slime.
No slime. We don't need slime. Okay, what's over here? Look at that big old mountain of stuffed animals.
Whoa.
So cool. Dinosaur ball. We can put back. Let's take a look at some other stuff. Squishies.
Dinosaur squishies.
Rawr.
Whoa.
What happens? Wow, that's crazy.
What?
That's crazy.
Meet me over here, Reagan, so we can.
Whoa.
Look at this one.
So cool.
Okay, come on, let's go check it out. Let's go look at the other dinosaurs. Come on. Oh, look. They got a whole box full of those. 50-piece set. Look at this one right here. Jump, 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 jump. That's pretty cool. Look at these ones. This is the best place ever? Look at down in here. There's some more over here. Oh, wow. Look at these ones. Look at this. And they're squishy, too. They're so super squishy. Wow, that's so cool. Let's go look over here at these dinosaurs.
This is the biggest dinosaur.
It's a big one.
What's that? Whoa, the legs move.
This one's really sharp too. I'm gonna stab you, Clincher. Oh no! Okay, put back. Wow, look at that.
Let's go over there.
We're going. We gotta wait our turn for picture. Come on, here, get in line. All right, today is the big day. Come here, Reagan. Let's see where we're at. Odd numbered section seats, even numbered section seats. Okay, we're here, huh? You ready for some baseball? Yeah, we're gonna go see the Dodgers. She's excited. It's her very first baseball game ever. Just her and Daddy, huh, baby?
Yeah.
Okay.
The girls do want to see dinosaurs.
Yeah, the girls didn't want to see dinosaurs. They didn't want to see baseball, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Here. Hold Daddy's hand. Let's go. Say again.
It's my first time doing baseball.
Doing the baseball. That's
Yeah.
right. Almost. You almost got it, huh? Oh, there he goes with the Domingos. Oh, what's the Mimis? Having fun? You got your hot dog? It's me. I'll help you. There you go.
He's thirsty. He wants a beer.
Good. How's that hot dog? It's good? Think we'll catch a ball?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, we catch it.
We're gonna catch a ball?
Yeah, I will.
Should Daddy get his glove ready? Okay. Try it. Try some. Oh. Good? Is that good? You don't like it? Okay. Spit out. Oh, it's a sad day indeed when your daughter doesn't like the Cracker Jack, man. Especially at a ball game. Oh well. But you like your Sprite, huh? Okay. Megan, say go Dodgers! Go Dodgers!
Let's go, Manny! Go, Manny!
Put your glove up, get ready to catch it. Almost. But the Mimis, did you see the girl baseball player? Where is she? Look. We got a girl baseball player. She got a ponytail like you. Yeah. Hang on. we go. You ready?
Alright, that was it. So your choices are, is it A, and the Dodgers are flying out of the dugout, B, a walk-off
What do you mean?
C,
Are you having fun? Yeah.
what a magic. We're gonna need an answer for it.
Say hi, Mama. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mama.
He's gonna go.
You really want that beach ball, don't you, Little Means? Huh? Little Means has been trying to get this beach ball all day. Here it comes, Little Means, here it comes. Get it, Little Means, get it, get it.
This season, the SoCal Power Dealers will be at Dodger home games.
Ah, here it goes, Little Means.
Like free parking, free facilities,
We got it though, huh? Kind of.
thanks to the SoCal Power Dealers for getting another helpful home run. Fans, today the helpful SoCal.
Okay, here we go. Get ready. I think the ball's coming to you, Little Minis. Get ready. Here it comes. Oh, here it goes with the memes. Catch, you ready to catch the memes? Oh, oh my God, will you just catch it? Did you catch the ball? Did you catch the ball? Did you catch that one? Lemonades, frozy lemonade. It'll melt. There's Corey Seager. He's up to bat. What's this up? Don't steal. Here we go. Let's go, look at me. Let's go, look at me. Are you ready to catch that ball? Okay, here we go. Watch over here. Watch over here. Say yeah! Charge! Charge! You're all charged out, I think. Okay, here it goes. Here it goes. Get ready. Get ready to catch that ball. There's Seager. Oh. Let's go Dodgers. Let's go Dodgers. Let's go Dodgers. Come on, Corey. Tell them, little mimis. They're right here. And your glove. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Woo. Next time, we get the ball next time, huh?
Yeah, let's go get content.
You and your cotton candy looking mimis. You need that cotton candy that bad or what? Okay, wait till we get ready for the inning test. The inning ends, we'll go. We'll go get it. All right, little mimis. We're on the top of the sixth. It's 6-6. And we're... Good. Did you get it? Reagan, this way. Come back to your seat. All right, come on. Come back to your seat. You got it again? Did you get that volleyball?
Yeah, this year had to throw it to me.
I did see it. I did see. Wow, cool, huh?
Throw it to me!
Throw it to me. Now throw that ball. Go throw it. Throw it. Yeah. Okay, stay here. Wait till it comes back, okay? Reagan, wait till it comes back, okay? Is that cool? You got it again, huh? Little mimis, you got that volleyball again, huh? Yeah? 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. Oh, little mimis. Say hi, sister.
Hi, sister.
Look here. Look at the camera. Say hi, sister.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. I'm gonna eat these, sister.
You watching baseball?
I'm gonna...
Are you watching baseball?
Yeah, and I'm gonna eat...
Okay, how old are you going to be? You're going to be this many. How many is that?
5.
5. My little Dodger's all tuckered out back there. Sleeping Beauty, really. I think she had a blast. She absolutely loved going to the baseball game. Her favorite color's blue, just like her daddy's. She had fun. She got a chance to play with the volleyball a handful of times. What a great day. I'm telling you guys, if you're not spending as much quality time with your kids as you possibly can when you have time off on the weekends, you're wrong. Because those are memories you're never ever going to get back. Those are times, those are years you're never going to get back. Have fun with them while they're young, man. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed me and Reagan's first time ever going to a Major League Baseball game. I had fun, and I know she did too. See you guys back at the house.